Hi friends, this video shows how to set 5G only network mode. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections, tap here. Tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. See here, it's not showing 5G only network mode. It's showing only this first option, 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G auto connect. See, only this first option is available for 5G. So I will show you how we can enable 5G only network mode. Let me close this. Then we need to install Google phone app. Install this app from Google Play Store. I already installed. Let me open. Tap on this phone app icon. Tap on this icon. Then we need to dial one number. This is a number *#* 4636. Then ###. Then tap on phone information. Then go down, tap on set preferred network type. Tap here. Here we have to select NR only. Tap on NR only. Done. Then go back. Then we can close this. Then again go to settings. Go to connections. Tap on mobile networks. Now we can see network mode 5G only. So this way we can set network mode 5G only. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.